All right, now everybody loves a good quickie, so I'm gonna show you guys how to depin a Delphi connector. Essentially, we call it a GM Apex 4-pin. We're going from a GM fuel pump from a Chevy Cobalt, essentially to a standalone wiring harness. And all these wires are backwards. So if you don't have one of those little fancy depinning tools, you can use a pick, or you can just use a smallest Allen wrench you can find. I'll pull that off there. And then right on the inside here, you got a tab here, tab there, tab there, tab there. It's going to be the same whether you're doing a 2-prong, a 3-prong. You're going to take that pick and you're going to wedge it right in there. And you're going to pull that one out. Back. And then the insert's going to slip right back over and click in. Alright, well, if you did your electrical correctly, that's how you depin and rearrange a General Motors Apex 4-pin Delphi connector. They're not just for General Motors, but hey, General Motors setup.